Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make any question mark or, exclamation mark, like, help bots or chat bots. So stay tuned to see the whole video. Okay guys, so first you have to put in a part. Now, some people may actually make, actual NPCs. For me, I tried that sometimes. It kind of broke my computer. I don't know. Anyway, you can make anything as long as it's yours. You made it. And it is a block. And you now will have to go and open Explorer. You don't need Toolbox for this. You don't. So you need Explorer and Properties, which is right here. See? Now, what you do is you press in. Well, you don't need properties that much, but it is important. Anyway, you press the plus, and then you press dialogue right there. The intel, the prompt, is the starting that the thing says. So let's go. Hey, if you want this to be a chatbot, you can just make it chatty. Like, hey, let's just say, hey, did you see? Or if it's a help bot, you could go, hey, can I help you? That's how it goes. And then you add, after pressing the plus, you do dialogue choice. You can do, the user dialogue is what the user, the person in there says. So let's say, I need help. Wait, let's just say, how do I play? Then he'd respond, you will subscribe. Now, you can also add more just by pressing another press on dialogue and doing this. You go to use dialogue and you do that again. Nothing. Okay, then you go response dialogue again, and yeah, and you can add multiple of this. If you want to add more after that, you could go plus on the dialogue choice and put dialogue choice in it, and you could do multiple and multiple into it. But I know there is a limit. Also a limit on the words, and yeah. So like that, or that. Now, you do it like that. So let's check it out. No scripting at all. See? Somehow when you're in full screen, it doesn't really work. I don't know why. Press, hey, how can I help you? Nothing, sorry to bother, or how do I play? So you do that. Yes. Yeah, so that's how it works. And you can do multiple. And you can also have your own NPC. So, yes, that's how you do it. Hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, please subscribe and like. Also hit that bell so you don't miss any of my amazing videos. Goodbye. See you next time.